He heats his bearings in the frying pan. It was a wedding gift, and until this day, she's still looking for it. Press fit bearings in the pan when they are just right. He has a plan, lubes them up and drops them on. No more hammers or press to put them on. Ken, he's the man. He heats his bearings in the frying pan.